a true gaming system. This CLX set delivers outstanding computing power and visual performance. It's driven by a liquid-cooled 5th Gen 8-core/16-thread AMD Ryzen 7 7700X 4.5 GHz processor, max boost speed of 5.4 GHz. And 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 4800 memory. The 24 GB GeForce RTX 4090 video card delivers eye-stunning graphics. Meanwhile, the 1TB solid-state drive and 4TB hard drive provide a perfect blend of speed and storage. And it isn't just the insides that look great. The CLX set is housed in a sleek mid-tower gaming chassis, designed for maximum expandability and airflow. With both wired and Wi-Fi networking capabilities, you can game how you want, where you want. We even pre-install Windows 11 Home, and include a wired RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can be up and playing like a pro on your favorite games in no time. Invest in a system above the rest. Order your CLX set today.